Hello, I'm April Wathen, your facilitator for this online summer learning course, Foundations of Computer Science. Tomorrow morning in your inbox, Monday morning, by 8 a.m., you will have a video included in an email. You will have a link on how to access your Moodle account. You'll have a video that shows you how to get to your Moodle account and also how to navigate Module 1. There are 4 modules throughout this course, and you will have roughly 2 weeks to complete each module. I'm very understanding, so I do expect you to communicate with me through email, please. Also CC a parent so that your parents are included in the loop. I will do the same when emailing you if it's not through Moodle, our learning platform. If you have any questions about this course, please feel free to reach out. I am very sad to not be able to see you and meet you face-to-face during the orientation, but the current times call for all online learning. So we'll do the best we can, and I feel certain we'll have a great experience together. Any questions, feel free to email me, aawathen@smcps.org, the email that this video is coming from. Thank you.